How to delete Spotify account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to go through the steps on how we can delete our Spotify account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the process of deleting our Spotify account needs to actually happen from our browser, so you have to go to spotify.com and log into your account. So we won't be using the app, but we will actually use the browser in order to help solve this problem, right? Now once you're here on the spotify.com website, tap on the gear icon from the top right. Then over here simply go to view account option. Now when you go to view account, these are a couple of steps that you can see, but you can actually just scroll down and go to Spotify support. When you go to Spotify support, in the search bar just type in something similar to closing your account or something like that. Then you'll find a search result over there, so we'll just go ahead and type in closing or deleting account or something like that. So once we go ahead and then search for, let's say, a keyword called delete account, right here you can see closing your account and deleting your data, right? So tap on that particular article over there. When you do that, there are two types of users, one who have got premium, one who don't have premium. So if you don't have premium like me, tap on this option that says close your account and delete your data. If you have premium, tap on this account that says close your account and delete your data. Just depending on what you want to do, select your respective links there, and after you've done that, you will be able to continue to close your account. And this way you will be able to basically go ahead and then delete your Spotify account. I hope that the video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.